when his penis would go dead, he would like to have sex in my butt.
Oh, so you actually like it?
No, he would like it, so I have to like it because I love my man. I have to keep my man, so I spread it out and let him have it.
Oh, wow.
That's what happened. But it would really hurt. I would cry like a baby and he wouldn't care. He would just say, hold on a little bit, hold on a little bit. And I have to bear it.
Oh, so you actually you kind of like it, right? It feels nice.
Well, eventually I grew into liking it after doing it so much with him. It just made me start have orgasm after, like, while he did it, I just rubbed my clit and I could come. Yeah, so I would love to do it.
Oh, so you start to like it after a while.
Yeah, I would grow into loving it because he loved it, so I have to love it, right? But he would love eating it first. He would eat it for like 1 hour. Like he would just eat it for long time. But I feel like the reason why we stopped talking was because I wouldn't eat his butt back, so he used to think I was scorning him. But at the time